Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I can't believe my channel is growing very fast and I do appreciate it. I am so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am making handmade extra virgin avocado oil today. I am using the Hass avocado. The chlorophyll in the skin and the pulp of this avocado gives a vibrant, rich, deep green oil. It's beautiful. I love it. 30% of the avocado pulp is oil, and I want to get as much oil out of that as possible. So I use stone granules to act as a resistant to my press. When I press, the avocado pulp is soft, so it needs something solid to resist the pressure. So I use the stone granules and I got a lot more oil than possible. I'm happy with that. This is my first time making avocado oil, and I had to make two batches because the first one was not a very good try, but my second one I got it and I love it. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment and share my video and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. This oil is not the oil you get in the store. This oil is not refined, it is not bleached, it is not deodorized. It's just the natural oil from avocado. avocado oil has a high percentage rate of penetration and absorption, so that oil can be absorbed into your skin very easily and nourish it with all those good qualities and all those good properties. So with the stone granules, I got this. And without the granules, I got this. Okay. This is a very concentrated oil. I think I'll use half of this oil for my salad and half for skincare. But I would have to dilute it with a lighter carrier oil. Maybe something like a sweet almond oil or fractionated coconut oil. They're lighter and spread easily on the skin. I would also add a few drops of tocopherol acetate as a preservative. Tocopherol acetate is a natural preservative, vitamin E. This is for my salad, and this is mixed with fractionated coconut oil and sweet almond oil for my skincare.